Hey baby, we're leaving for our garden. See you later. Hey buddy, I'm leaving. I'll take you to our garden next time. I really like this thing, huh? Hey guys, so we decided to rent a garden to grow vegetables. We like to grow vegetables that's difficult to find at a store or expensive to buy. There is a vegetable called Romanesco. I don't know if it's broccoli or cauliflower, but both my wife and I love it, so we want to grow that. Growing up, my grandparents, my father's side and my mother's side, they're both farmers, and I got to help them gardening and like rice paddy and everything. But I have never owned my garden myself, so I'm pretty excited. And over the past few weeks, we've been preparing our garden, and here's how we did it. So we just got to our garden. My wife cannot open her eyes because it's too bright without sunglasses.
It's a cloudy day, I still can't do it.
Anyway, there are a lot of many weeds that we need to get rid of before we can plant anything, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, are you ready? Alright, then let's get started. I'm gonna do a time lapse and see how much progress we can make in the next an hour or two.
Oh, great.
Alright. Alright, I think we're like halfway done now.
Yeah, it started raining, so we stopped.
Yep.
Look at, do you see the darks of my clothes? I'm completely soaked through with sweat. Fortunately, it's been cloudy and a little breezy.
Well, that's why we chose to stay in this time.
Sweat to death.
Yeah.
But all of these clothes are just, it's very wet.
Anyway, we're making progress.
Yeah, we made a bunch of progress again.
Yep.
It's fun.
Yes.
I'm enjoying it.
Right, it's raining.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the house and do the rest of the work.
Okay.
All right.
June's making breakfast.
So we are back at our garden. Let's finish it today. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, we actually finished almost all of it. This is a gigantic pile. June, come here. Show people that, like sit next to this pile so people can see. It's a very large weed pile. Almost everything is up. We still have a few small places that need to be done, like on the border. Like there's still some small stuff here. And like we'll have to go through and do like one final check through to make sure we got all the roots, and then we'll have to reform all of these back nicely and then start planning our actual garden. But it's been fun. It is, again, starting to rain. But now's a good time for a break anyway. I don't want to do anymore. Look at the color difference of my skin where my long sleeve shirt stopped short.
This is where your gloves end comes, and this is where it was shown, and then this is where your sleeve.
It's not dirt, it's not a tan, it's just dirt.
Anyway, let's bring these in. Get the heck out of here.
All right, yeah.
See ya. Woo, we made a huge progress. Yeah. Oh, my waist hurts. Hey guys, so I'm back at our garden again. Today, I'm gonna use this tool to cultivate this garden, and after that I'm gonna check the soil condition. It's probably a little acidic, so I'm going to use a tool to check how acidic or how alkaline, probably acidic, this garden is, and I'm gonna sprinkle this carbon calcium to make it neutral from acidic. So that's the plan. All right. First, I'm gonna pour a bucket of water one spot and make it wet to check the acidity with a checker. go. Now I'm gonna wait for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm back. It's been 20 minutes. 7 is neutral, good. I think it goes below 7, which is red, so well, we'll see. Whoa, it actually goes below 6. Next, I'm gonna have to cultivate, so I'm gonna use this tool. In Japanese, it's called kua. I don't know what to call in English. If anyone know, please let me know. So I don't know if any of you would be interested in growing veggies and cultivate garden using this type of tool. But if you are interested, here's a tip. Some tips that I learned from my uncle who is a farmer. It is a lot easier if you just let the gravity do the work instead of using your muscle and then like go like this. Just let it go and then pull out. Also, if you're gonna do it by your hand, you should definitely get this type of gloves that has good grip. Yep. All right, let's get started. Next, I'm gonna sprinkle carbon calcium sekai to make the soil less acidic. This is alkaline. I'm gonna sprinkle these all over the garden now. Now I'm gonna mix these in with this kua and the other tool like this one. I'm gonna use this to flatten the surface and I'll be done. Ta-da! The garden has become much nicer. The soil is very fluffy, which is very good for veggies to grow. So I'm gonna wait for a week or two. I'm gonna use tester again to check the pH balance. Wish me luck. All right, time for today. Ta-da, I'm back. It's been more than a week. As you can see, all these weeds, I need to pull them all out. But let's go ahead and check the pH. So this is the spot that actually went below 5. This is the lowest spot that I found. And our cauliflower needs the soil to be between 6 to 6.5. So I really hope this is gonna be above 6. All right, the moment of truth. Okay, it stopped around 6. Good. All right, next, plant weeds. I am done weeding for the most part, and I'm gonna sprinkle compost. Next, I'm gonna sprinkle fertilizer. This is organic too. All right. Finally, I'm gonna cultivate and I'll be done. Let's go do it. Whew. Guys, I'm done. Finally done preparing. Now I'm gonna wait for about a week until I start actually growing, planting vegetables. The soil will be very fluffy and soft and ideal pH balanced and will be nutritious. All right, see you guys in part 2. Thank you for watching. Bye.